Good morning students. Today's topic is sharing profit in wrong ratio. This is also the problem of profit sharing ratio and the problem of past adjustment entry. Now we will take the question. X by Z are 3:2:1 partners. They divided the profits of year rupees 90,000 equally by mistake. Past adjustment entry. Now we will see, in a firm there were 3 partners. They divided the profit in the ratio 3:2:1. This ratio was decided in the partnership deed, but by mistake they divided the profits in equal ratio. This is the main problem. How will we rectify? Now we will see. As we know, first of all we draw a table by mentioning the name of partners X, Y and Z. First of all we will write the wrong profit ratio. What was the wrong profit ratio? The wrong profit ratio was equally. This was the mistake. So we will write here amount of 90,000 that will be divided into equal ratio. There were 3 partners, so we will divide equally among them 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. After that we will rectify this. This is the main thing you have to learn. 90,000 will be divided into earlier decided profit sharing ratio. What was the profit sharing ratio? 3:2:1. Now we will divide 90,000 into 3:2:1. The amount will come 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Always wrong profits will be divided because they are wrong. So the amount will be debited, and after that when we correct the profit we will credit the profit, because profit goes into credit, as you already know. So after dividing the profit of 90,000 3:2:1, the amount will come 45,000, 30,000 and 15,000. And now we will solve this. This is the amount of minus because it is written in the bracket, and this is the amount of positive, so it will not be written in the bracket. And now we will solve. The amount will come 15,000, and in the by you can see 30,000 plus and 30,000 minus. The amount will come 0, and in the third partner's case the 30,000 is negative and 15,000 is positive. The amount will come in negative. Okay, after doing this we will pass entry. Now you can see here, this is the debit amount, and debit always goes into minus. The amount of minus will go into debit. So we will write here Z's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit, because this is the minus figure. Minus figure always goes into debit. And to X capital, because this is the positive amount, and positive amount always goes into credit. To Z's capital account. This is the final entry. Now we will see the different type of problem. Sharing of profits in wrong ratio and omission are as well. We will learn both the things in the same question. Now we will take the question. X, Y, Z are 3:2:1 partners. They omit the following. These things are omitted. by the partners. The first point is interest on capital of rupees 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000 to X by Z respectively. The second point is salary of rupees 10,000 to X and Z each. Third point, commission of rupees 6,000 to Y and 9,000 to Z. The last point is profits of the year 1,40,000 rupees was wrongly divided in the ratio 3:3:1 without providing any appropriation. Pass adjustment entry. So we have already learned these 3 points. Now we will learn these 3 points and one more point that we have learned sometime before. Both the points when are mixed, how will we rectify, how will we pass a adjustment, how will we solve this question? First of all, we will draw a table, the name of partners X, Y and Z. In the question, the wrong profits are given 60,000, 60,000 and 60,000. From where these amount will come? Because the wrong ratio is 3:3:1, and when we will divide the 1,40,000, the amount will come 60,000, 60,000 and 20,000 in this ratio. Okay. Now the omissions are also given in the question. Interest on capital 15,000 is given, 10,000 and 5,000. Now we will see the salary. Salary will be 10,000 of X and 10,000 of Z. Y will not draw any salary. And commission will be given in your question of Y and Z, that is 6,000 and 9,000. Now the main point comes. We will write here correct profits, and in the correct ratio, the correct ratio is given 3:2:1. The correct profit would be 75,000. From where this amount will come? This is the main thing. Look, first of all, we will add these amounts. Interest on capital of every partner 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. The salary will also be added 10,000 and 10,000. In the same way, commission will also be added 6,000 and 9,000. These amounts will be added, and 1,40,000 profit is given in your question. From 1,40,000 we will deduct all these amounts, and you will find the amount 75,000. That would be the profit. And now we will divide in the right ratio, that is 3:2:1. When we will divide, the amount will come 37,500, 25,000 and 12,500. Now we will calculate. First of all, we will add these amounts, and these amounts will be of the positive, and this amount is given in the negative. Now when we will solve, the amount will come in positive, that is 2,500, and you already know the amount that is in positive will be credited. And now we will see the column of Y. These amounts, when these amounts will be added, and the answer will come in positive. And now we are seeing the wrong profits of Y 60,000, that is in negative. And now when we will solve, the amount of 19,000 will come in negative. And like this we will solve the column of Z's partner. and amount will come 16,500. This amount is in negative, so we will write here debit, and these amounts are positive, so we will write here credit and credit. How will this amount come? We have written here a formula: net profit minus IOC, interest on capital, minus salary and minus commission, and we will find this amount. You can directly find this amount by this formula. Now we will pass the adjustment entry. What the entry would be? You can write buys capital account debit, because this amount is negative and debit is written here, so we will write buys capital account debit, and to X capital 2,500, to again to Z's capital account 16,500. The total of Z and X capital 16,500 and 2,500. When we will add, the amount will come 19,000. That is written in your debit. In this way, we will pass the past adjustment.